Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point lung 9. This one's very easy to find. It's on the radial end of the crease of the wrist and the depression of the lateral side of the radial artery. This is the source point for the lung energetic organ system. It works to normalize lung function and tonify lung qi as seen with deficiencies in asthma or COPD and other lung conditions. I instruct my patients to apply the metal element acu-stick that contains pure essential oils that activate the point multiple times per day. If they have time to also apply pressure, they use medium pressure on lung 9 in a clockwise reinforcing motion. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.